Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Vanangal's Beauty. So in this video I'm going to share get ready with me for a wedding as a guest. So today I'm going to attend a wedding, so I'm going to share my outfit, hijab tutorial, makeup, jewelry, everything. So stay tuned. If you don't know me, who am I? My name is Fairy and my content is all about makeup, lifestyle, haul, hijab and modest wear. So this is my little sister, her name is Noori, and her content is all about teenage fun, art and craft challenges, hairstyle, styling videos and many more. So if you're new to my channel, take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified soon. So let's get started with today's video. So guys, let's get started, and first I'm going to do my eyes with the Swiss Beauty concealer and concealing in my lids, and then taking a wet beauty blender I'm going to blend the concealer on my lids evenly. So after blending the concealer, next step is the eyeshadow palette, and this is the new palette I have purchased. It is from Mass Cosmetics. It has very beautiful shades in it. So I'm going to take this nude shade from the palette. I don't know how to explain this shade, but it's so beautiful. It is perfect for transition shade. I'm going to place it on my lid and as a transition shade on both the eyes with this fluffy brush. You can see it. Next I'm going to take this blue shade with a flat brush, picking it and placing on my lid from middle of the eye to end of the eye, slowly placing and blending slowly, as you all can see here. So after the blending this color, next step I'm going to take this golden copperish shimmer from the palette. You can see how pigmented it is, placing it on my lid from inner corner to the middle of the eye slowly. So guys, next I'm going to take this applicator from the palette and picking up this silver shade and placing it on my lid just in the middle to create that transition effect between the copper shimmer and this blue color. You can see how beautiful it will look after blending. So guys, the eyeshadow is completed on both the eyes. So for liner, this time I'm going to try different kind of a liner. First I'm drawing a straight line, then leaving some space and drawing a C shape and joining both the ends and filling it. So this liner is best for hooded eyes, and for liner I have used Inside Cosmetics liquid liner. It's jet black and affordable. All the links are provided in description box below. Go and check it out. So guys, I have tried a new hack for a base and it really worked on my skin. So for that, first you need to moisturize your skin, and this is from Vaseline Gluta-Hya Moisturizer, which is current favorite. And after that I have set this moisturizer with a loose powder. The clip was deleted guys, but I have set it. Next up, taking Blue Heaven fixing spray, I have fixed it and set it for a while. After that I have used a primer and spread it all over my face. So this hack is perfect for flawless and long lasting base, and it really worked on me, and my base was looking so beautiful and flawless. I was so impressed, and I'm going to try this hack daily. So guys, it's time for foundation, and this is my current favorite foundation. It's from Lakme 925 liquid foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. It has the dewy finish and it blends smoothly. The applicator is little bit clumsy, but the product is awesome. So I'm going to spread it all over my face, as you can see here. So guys, next I'm going to take Swiss Beauty highlighting primer and placing it all on my face in a dot form, and then taking a flat brush and spreading both the products. They look so beautiful. The coverage is also full and it blends smoothly. I really love this foundation and the combination is also best. You can see it. So guys, after spreading the foundation, now I'm going to blend this foundation with a beauty blender, and it blends so easily and the coverage is full. It just gives you skin like finish and my base look flawless. So guys, next step is a concealer, and I'm again going to use my favorite concealer, which is Swiss Beauty, and concealing my eyes just a little bit, and nose and under my cheekbone area on both the sides. So guys, for contouring, I'm going to use Inside Cosmetics color correcting palette. Picking up this brown shade, I'm going to contour, and this is a new hack I'm going to try in this video. I'm going to use my fingers and drawing this kind of a shape near upper the cheekbones area and slowly dragging it downward to my mouth, and then doing my nose contour as usual, drawing two lines and joining them. First, I'm going to blend the concealer evenly. So guys, after blending my under eyes, next step is to blend this contour which I have created, and I'm going to blend this contour in upward motion. And I was really confused whether this hack really works or it just destroys, but it worked and it gives you so structured face and snatch. You can see the clear difference, and I give this thumbs up, and it really works. If you have fatty face, you can use this hack and it really works. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and you will see the result. So next step is to set the concealer, and I'm going to use loose powder and setting it under my eyes, under the cheekbone area with this fluffy brush, and leaving it for a while. So next step is a blush, and for that I'm going to use Swiss Beauty lip and cheek tint, applying it on my cheekbone area and little bit on my nose, and then blending it. It gives such a flash of color and it's perfect for my skin tone. So guys, for eyebrows I'm going to use Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade brown, and first I'm going to draw a line and filling it slowly, doing the same thing on the other eye. And after that I'm going to take spoolie from the other side of the pencil and brushing it to give that bushy and natural eyebrows. So now it's time to remove the excess powder from the under eyes, and for kajal I'm going to use white kajal to give that big eye look. So white kajal makes your eyes more bigger if you have small eyes, and I love white kajal. After that I'm picking this blue shade from the palette and placing it on my under eyes to give that color and blending it smoothly on both the sides. So guys, next step, taking a liquid liner, I'm going to draw a line in my inner corners to give that Arabian eye look. on both the eyes, and now my eyes look better, so I just thought it and did it. So after that I'm going to apply mascara, and this is from Maybelline Sky High Mascara. It gives instant voluminous lashes, as you all can see here. After that I'm going to curl my lashes with a curling tool on both the eyes. So guys, for lashes I don't want to go heavy, so I have tried this hack which is so simple. Just cut a little lash according to your lash line, and then just apply glue to your lash and apply it on the end of your lash line, and it looks natural and nobody's going to know it. As simple as that, and my eyes looks instantly natural and voluminous. You can see it. So guys, for highlighting I'm going to use my favorite palette, which is NYX contouring palette, and I'm going to pick this champagne shade and applying it on my cheekbone with a fan brush. So it's a nighttime wedding, so you need to shine bright like a diamond. So I'm going to use a lot of highlighter, and you can see it looks so beautiful. So guys, for inner corner highlighting I'm going to use this silver shade from the Mars Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners with my little fingers, and my eye makeup is completed. And now I have three options for lipstick. It is from My Glam Pop XO. First one is a pink one, next one is mauvish tone, and third one was a purple tone, so I was confused. So first I'm going to line my lips with a Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade 7. It's also purple tone. So I was talking with my sister, so I've decided to apply this pink shade after applying lip liner, and the pigmentation is on point and the color payoff is awesome. It looks so beautiful and matching with the eye makeup. So last step is to set up base with a fixing spray. This is from Blue Heaven fixing spray, and our makeup is done. So guys, for this wedding I have ordered a abaya online in the shade sky blue color. So I received inner belt, coat, hijab and niqab, and the sleeves are so pretty and the combination is awesome. The cute bow detailing makes the abaya more beautiful, perfect for wedding. So guys, I just forgot to wear the lens at the starting of the video, but at the end I just remembered it and put on. So it is in marine blue color, so comfortable, and the eye makeup is elevated more. So this is a new hijab tutorial I'm going to show you for any event or wedding. It's easy, classy and effortless, and it's comfortable too. So guys, this is the makeup. It turned out very well and I really like my makeup. It's inspired from Arabian Nights. It's just vibing and I feel like Jasmine from Aladdin. As you can see it, how beautiful my abaya looks, and the makeup is looking so perfect, elegant, and wow. So if you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you're notified soon. Stay tuned, stay bindas.